Hey guys, how you doing? It's Titch for Blocksmarts, and I'm back. This time with the tutorial on how to use Uniswap, a decentralized exchange. Excellent thing to know because this is where a lot of coins are launched on these small exchanges, and the prices are usually low when they're around here. And if you can pick them up when they were just being launched on here, and by the time they get to the big exchanges, you would have made a huge return on your investment. So this is great to know how to use this, because a lot of the times you just hear of these small coins and you think like, where are people buying them? Yeah, they're buying them on the small exchanges, because you try to look on some of these crypto.com, Binance, you can't find it. They'll be on these small exchanges. So it's a good thing to know. Now, the way I do this, I come on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a site with all the the assets listed on here and all their information. It's a safe place to be able to use the links to be able to go on the actual websites, because in crypto, as much as it's a good ecosystem, there's a lot of scams as well. So if you just think like, oh, I want to buy my coins on Uniswap, and then you just go on the address bar and type in uniswap.com, you might think it's a .com, but it's actually .org, or it could be .io. There's different, so you need to make sure that you know exactly the actual name of the site. And sometimes if you just click on the first suggestion that comes on your Google search, you're probably going to get scammed and it's going to sting. So come on CoinMarketCap, and then you have all the information on there, and you'll be able to you're guaranteed to go on the correct site. So let's say, I don't want to make it look like you can only buy Uniswap on Uniswap. So let's try and say CGG, Chain Guardians. That's what we want to buy. So you see, like even here, this is the website, the direct link to the website. Yeah, websites can be scammed too. You might be sent to a mirror site that's going to take your information, and then it's going to be messed up. So that's another thing there. So if you want to know where we can buy Chain Guardians, because you can't buy it on crypto.com or Binance, you would go on Market, and that will list all the places that you can buy it. And Uniswap is one of them, right? So what you would then do is click on Uniswap, and then you would click on the site link. So it takes you to the actual site, and then you would click Launch App. And this is the interface you're going to get. Now, remember we downloaded our MetaMask wallet earlier on. So this is what you need to connect here. All you need to do is connect. And you just make sure you verify there to certify that that's the wallet you're going to be using, because you could have different wallets. There's Wallet Connect, there's Coinbase Wallet. It's all different. So you connect your wallet, and it already registers and knows how much money is in your wallet once you've connected it. So you know how much you're going to be able to spend on the tokens, and it also calculates your gas fees. If you don't know what gas fees are, go back to that video again and just find out what that is, and just to understand. And once that's done, that's it. The tokens are sent to your MetaMask wallet, and you can do anything you want with them. You can move them around. You can send them to your Binance, your Crypto.com account, or you can keep them in there if they don't host that token on those sites, and you can keep it in your MetaMask wallet. So that's just the basic way. It's very simple. It's nothing complicated about it. It's the same as using other decentralized exchanges, because a lot of the interfaces are the same, because they use roughly the same code. And I'll show you an example. So let's say we want to buy Chain Guardians, right, on a different exchange, say 1inch exchange. This is the other one I've also used, so I know how to use that, how it looks and everything. So yeah, you just go on 1inch.io, and that's the site again. You see how they look really similar, and you come onto that, and it's the same thing. You connect your wallet and you swap away. Simple. It's that simple. Nothing complicated about it. And that's a good thing for you to know, because you would be able, like I said, to get those coins on the floor. So yeah, that kind of wraps up my tutorial on those decentralized exchanges. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments box, and I'll try and make sure that I answer all of them. And if there's any tutorial suggestions that you have, let me know, and I'll do them as soon as I get a chance. Okay, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. All right then, take care. Peace.